Fuck it. I'm just running in at this point. What up? Oh.
They're taking Alpha!
What's up, bitch? Uh-oh.
Sniper! Oh, shit!
Sniper got his sights on A.
You know where?
Hostiles!
He's sitting on a porta potty, like directly behind C.
Killed 2 enemies on A so far. I think they might be making a move for it. That's 4 enemies I've killed on A.
Hostiles on Alpha!
Yo, yo, yo.
Go ahead and surrender.
Get fucked.
Reloading! Hostiles! Hostiles on Alpha!
And that smoke is gonna die. And who's here? Yoo-hoo!
Jesus Christ!
Good shit.
A is mine. A is mine. A is mine. A is mine.
Get in there, man.
Stay off. It's our
Y'all
objective.
y'all did great. Y'all did great.
Yeah, I was negative until you lot tried to get me on A.
Luke, you fucking threw so much lead in every direction. I swear I couldn't even touch the ground.
Goddamn retarded fuck.
Just spray and pray.
It was
Spray and pray.
fucking great. Dude, that was the move.